If your bathroom sink keeps clogging and you're wondering if leaving one-shot drain cleaner in the pipe longer than recommended actually helps, you're not alone. So here's the thing. One-shot drain cleaner says to leave it for about 5 minutes, but some folks try leaving it for much longer, like 20 minutes or more, hoping it'll clear out stubborn clogs better. The key is not just leaving it in longer, but using it right. First, make sure you run hot water for a minute before pouring the cleaner in. That warms up the pipes and helps the cleaner work faster. Then pour the one-shot slowly so it coats the inside of the pipes instead of rushing straight through. After letting it sit for the recommended time, flush again with hot water to wash everything out. If your sink keeps clogging even after cleaning the trap and rotting the pipes, it might be a buildup deeper in the drain line that needs a stronger approach or even professional help. Avoid leaving the chemical in for hours or overnight because it can damage plastic pipes or seals. Also, don't combine it with other cleaners or chemicals. It can cause dangerous reactions. Keeping your drain clear with regular maintenance, like using a baking soda and vinegar mix once a week, can help prevent those nasty blockages. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drain cleaners like one-shot is letting it sit too long inside plastic pipes, which can weaken or melt them over time. Always stick to the instructions exactly. Another common problem is not flushing the pipes properly with hot water afterward, so residue stays and clogs come back quickly. Always finish with a good flush. Lastly, using metal rods aggressively can damage your pipes or push clogs further down instead of removing them. If rotting doesn't work easily, it might be time to call a plumber. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need reliable local contractors for tricky plumbing jobs or any home project. It also helps contractors connect with people who want quality work done without the hassle of endless searching.